All right, Jordan. So the big idea with this problem is, we can't add these things right now because none of the terms are like. They don't have the same radical parts. But, maybe if we break down the radicals and we look for, simplifying the radicals, it's possible we might wind up with some like terms that we can combine. So we want to start by simplifying all the radicals. I'm going to start with the 27. I'm going to do a prime factorization to break this thing down. So prime factorization of 27, 3 goes into 27 9 times, 3 goes into 9 3 times. And remember, I'm looking for pairs, so I got a pair of 3's there. Don't forget to bring your 5 down. That's probably the most common mistake that gets made on these problems, is to lose that coefficient you started with. And then I got a pair of 3's, so that's going to let me pull 1 3 to the outside. I have another 3 that did not pair. That's got to stay in. So this is going to simplify to 15 square root of 3 there for that first term. Okay, we'll do the same thing with the 18. We'll break that down. That's 2 times 9. And 9 is 3 times 3. And we're looking for pairs, so there's a couple of 3's. Again, don't lose that 2. We can pull a 3 out because of the pair of 3's. Got to leave a 2 in because that didn't pair. So we're going to be left with 6 square root of 2 for that middle term. We'll do the same thing with the 48 next. 2 goes into that 24 times. 2 goes into that 12 times. 2 goes into that 6 times. 2 goes into that 3 times. And then that's it. Again, looking for pairs. Got a couple of 2's this time. Multiply those together, we'll get a 4. And then, we got that 3 left over that did not pair. That's got to stay in. Okay, so there's our terms after we've simplified our radicals. And now you notice that the first and the last term there, the 15 square root of 3 and the 4 square root of 3, both those terms have square roots of 3 on them. So they're like. We can add those together. 15 plus 4 gives me 19. We add the coefficients. Don't change the radical part. Nothing we can do with that 6 squared root of 2 term because it's not like, so we're just going to kind of bring it along and keep the sign the same. And that's our answer. We can't go any further than that because those terms are not like. Okay, hopefully that makes a little more sense now.